The following is a message from the New Bloomfield Police Department. An explosion that measured 7.7 on the Richter scale has occurred in New Bloomfield, Missouri at the corners of Highway J and Old State Highway 54. A shelter-in-place order has been issued for all residents of New Bloomfield. Avoid going outdoors and lock all doors and windows. Go into the most interior room in your residence until the all-clear signal is given. Stay away from all windows and doors, as flying debris might enter and cause serious harm. Repeating, a shelter-in-place order has been given to residents of New Bloomfield, Missouri. The following is a cautionary warning for New Bloomfield, Missouri residents, Callaway County, and the surrounding areas. A measurable explosion that recently was recorded at 7.7 on the Richter scale has been contained within a 2-mile radius around the blast site. Any traffic in that vicinity are being detoured to adjacent roadways. A large rectangular object, measuring 150 feet by 75 feet by 100 feet has emerged from the site. The U.S. Geological Survey Agency are on site and are assessing the situation. They are asking the public to avoid any travel to this area. The Missouri National Guard are en route and must be able to gain access to the site for security and safety purposes. Your cooperation is appreciated.
This is not a drill. All residents of New Bloomfield and the surrounding areas are to evacuate immediately. The rectangular object emerging from the blast point has exploded, and a stick-like humanoid figure has appeared, with cone-shaped transmission receptors and emergency bullhorns on its head. It is believed to be as tall as 150 feet, and is currently upright, and emitting a caustic gas near its legs. Any living creature caught in this gas dies quickly. The figure has been seen gathering bodies and depositing them in a compartment inside its lower appendages. It is currently heading south down Highway 54 and swatting away vehicles in its path. You are instructed to get as far from the figure as possible. Leave now. Carry nothing with you to encumber your speed. Going west is your best viable option. It has falsely been described as the Siren Head monster, but carries none of its characteristics, as it differs from its appearance and demeanor. Repeat. Evacuate immediately. This is a mandatory evacuation order by the governor of the state of Missouri. All residents of New Bloomfield, Missouri, Holt Summit, Missouri, North Jefferson, Missouri, and any other residents that are in the vicinity of State Highway 54. The stick-like object is headed south on State Highway 54, causing widespread destruction along its path. You are to evacuate by whatever means necessary. If you are in a vehicle on Highway 54, leave your vehicle and evacuate as quickly as possible. If you decide to try to leave in your vehicle, you could be putting yourself in a fatal or dire situation. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued by the governor of the state of Missouri and a state of emergency has been declared. The following is a nationwide alert on the emergency broadcast system. At 3:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, similar explosions like the one in New Bloomfield, Missouri have simultaneously erupted over the following areas: Bangor, Maine; Concord, New Hampshire; Raleigh, North Carolina; Sandusky, Ohio; Downers Grove, Illinois; Bemidji, Minnesota; Topeka, Kansas; Cozad, Nebraska; Bismarck, North Dakota; Trinidad, New Mexico; Lamar, Colorado; Billings, Montana; Henderson, Nevada; Eugene, Oregon; Macon, Georgia; and Redwood, California. All residents in those cities and surrounding areas are instructed to evacuate immediately. The President has initiated martial law throughout the United States, effective immediately. The U.S. Armed Forces have been deployed to combat the existing threats. FEMA, along with the Armed Forces Reserve, has set up 8 centers for evacuees. Please remain calm, as panic will help no one during this crisis. The President and his administration have relocated to a secluded location, as actions are being discussed for a plan of attack. You are advised to evacuate these areas, remain calm, and, if possible, get to a local aid center. If you do not, your situation could turn dire or fatal. Again, remain calm,